YouTube, Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your headlight bulbs, just the low beam bulbs on a 2006 Acura Mdx. Just take you back here and get the camera set up and show you how easy it is to change. They're right here. Okay, so this is your high beam bulb, which is the one closest to the grill, and then this is our low beam bulb, the one that we're going to change. And it's pretty simple. You just push in this little tab right here, this little black tab, and slide the clip down or slide the connector down. There we go. There's our little connector, and then to take the bulb out, all you do is just twist that counterclockwise and then pull it out. Now, I don't know if that'll focus enough for you to see, but the actual little part that looks like a coil or a spring is broken. And actually, both bulbs are bad. So we're going to swap them both out. These are the bulbs I'm using. These are Sylvania Extra Vision. Now, a lot of times when I replace light bulbs, I will wear gloves because you definitely don't want to touch the glass part. The grease or oils on your hand can damage that and cause it to burn up later when it's on. But we just put that in at kind of the same angle until it sits flush, and then just give it a little twist, and then just twist that to lock it in place. At the same time, I'm going to also reconnect this little electrical connector and push it on until it clicks, and then I'm going to continue to twist that until it's straight up and down like it was. And that's it. Let's go do the other one as well. All right, same thing on the passenger side. This little plastic tab, you just kind of squeeze that in and push the connector down. It comes off like that, and then this, we just rotate it counterclockwise, and then it'll come out. And same thing, this one is broken. I looked at these the other day, I couldn't believe that they were both out at the same time. Here's our new bulb. Same thing, just put that in. Kind of the same orientation, kind of just down at an angle, so that when we do turn it, it kind of locks straight up and down. And then slide the connector back on, and you're done. And let's go turn them on, see if they work now. And there you go, they're working. That was it. That's all it was. Two headlights both burned out at the same time. I'm not sure why both bulbs would burn out at the same time, or if I had an issue with a switch or something, but those look like they were the original bulbs, so chances are they were just the same age and both ready to be done at the same time. There are fuses for each headlight here, a 20 amp fuse for the right headlight and the left headlight right here. And also these relays, I think one of these relays is for the low beams. So if your bulbs are not bad, you might check these fuses, pull them, and then, or maybe test these relays. You can always swap those with another one of these. They're the same. In our case, it was just the headlight bulbs were bad. We're good to go. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to the bulbs that I used as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.